Welcome back, guys. You're watching Today's Platinum, and we are continuing the new training series that I'm doing on how to become a full-time day trader slash swing trader in cryptocurrency. So, guys, if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency as well as get all of my professional trading strategies and lifetime access to my premium trading group, then go ahead and check out that first link in the description. But without further ado, we're going to continue on with the training series. So guys, last video we kind of just talked about everything you need to set up your trading. You need to find a coin every single day or multiple coins that you want to watch every single day to trade. You obviously need an exchange to trade on. You need charts to do technical analysis on. And, you need a plan, right? So all of this is going to be included in detail, like a ton of detail, guys. I put a ton of effort into creating the course. So all of that is in there along with the trading group. That's just an immense value right there. Lifetime access to that. So, guys, I definitely recommend checking that out. But, let's jump into this chart right here. So I stayed up, over the past 24 hours trading Bitcoin Cash because I wanted, to show you guys my strategy. Now, as you can see, we talked about before that a good strategy is to buy every time it is under these oversold lines. Now, obviously, it was oversold more times than I put trades in. I only had 5 trades over the last 24 hours. But, I should have had a lot more if I was following what I said, right? Well, guys, the trading strategy is a lot more complex than that. And there are times where you don't want to enter trades because it's not going to be worth your time. As you can see, these are almost 4%, almost 4%, almost 2%, 2%, and almost 2% gains over 24 hours, right? So I got all of this in only 24 hours, guys. Imagine what that could do for you, right? You need to pay the bills, you need to pay rent. Guys, if you're trading every day with my strategy, you will easily become a full-time trader within 1 to 3 months. It really just depends with your starting capital and how quick you adapt to the strategy. So as you can see here, we put in a trade right about here, cashed in 3.7%. So I just want to add this all up for you guys and show you what you can get if you're overperforming more than the 5% per day. So 3.7 plus 3.5 plus 1.65 plus 2.04 plus 1.66. So that's going to be 12.5% I got in the past 24 hours trading Bitcoin Cash. And this is on GDAX, guys. So this is for the beginner trader on GDAX trading, Bitcoin Cash easily. You can net this profit. So let's jump over here to the Google Sheet and just see what not even 12%, what 10% per day could do for you, right? So let's not say $5,000. Let's say you start with $1,000. I see a lot of guys starting with $1,000 to trade, right? So you're getting 10% per day. What do you think that's going to get you in a month, right? Well, you can end up with almost 16 grand from $1,000 if you're getting 10% per day. Guys, that's about 15,000 per month starting with $1,000. Okay, you can easily become a full-time trader within 30 days with this strategy. So that's why I am trying to push this so much, because I want to at least start a small community of traders using this strategy so that we can all profit and share positive practices. Now, I'm only going to keep the trading group to a small number of people because I don't want the community to get too big. I want to be able to give individualized attention to all of you guys who end up joining the community with the course and with the group. So I'm going to keep it at about 50 to 100 people. Haven't decided just yet on that number, but we will see as things continue. So if you guys haven't checked out the course already, first link in the description. But let's just continue on talking about this. So as you can see, like I said, there's some points where I didn't buy where it was oversold, and there's a reason for that, right? There's other indicators and other strategies I use with my full trading strategy in order to find out when I'm going to buy something and when I'm going to pass something up. Also, you guys have to be able to cut your losses. I mean, this trade right here, initially it went down after I put money in, but I knew off of my analysis, that it was going to continue in a bullish movement upward. So that's why I hung on, and I ended up with a 2% profit in about 3 hours. So sometimes, you need to follow the strategy and just have trust in the strategy. And once you actually, for those of you who do take the chance to, enter the group and take the course, for those of you who do understand the strategy and go through the course, you'll start to realize, wow, this is a lot easier than I thought. I just have to put in a little bit of work and look at some charts, and you're going to be able to profit every single day for months and months to come. Even in a bear market, I've been making money. We're not in any bullish market right now, and I have still been making this kind of profit. The worst days that I've had, I've been making 1 to 5%, but I'm still profitable every single day with my trading strategy that I am using. So this course is really for those of you who want a way to profit every single day. Maybe it's not 40% every single day, maybe it's nothing crazy, but over time it does add up. I mean, let's just see over 1 year, guys. 10% a day. And this is compounding it every single day, trading with the same amount of money. So obviously, you probably wouldn't do this, but let's just say if you this works out for you, you have a lot of money, you want to play around with it, you just end up with an unreal amount of money. I'm not even going to try to, consider how much that is, but we're just going to keep moving on up here. All right, guys. So, what I'm trying to get across to you guys is really that you need to take action if you want to end up having the gains, right? All of these long-term holds, yes, you may get lucky, but the real way to make money with cryptocurrency is day trading. As you can see, 15,000 in 1 month from $1,000. That's absurd to most people. But once you break it down and have a real strategy and something that you're going to approach this with, you're going to be able to profit every single time. So, I'm just going to delete these real quick. For those of you who want to become swing traders, you don't have that much time, you don't want to be a full-time day trader, that's fine. There's still plenty of opportunity, right? So some of the trades, I remember this one right here I took, I think I sold right there. So 13% in a day, right there. We got 17% in about a day. Guys, you can see the kind of trades that I am profiting on every single time. The indicators that I follow and the strategy I follow is very, I built it in order to eliminate all of the risk almost, right? Obviously, it's still a little risky, but with the stops that I set, with the profit points I set, with the indicators I use, every single part of the strategy is built to eliminate risk and allow you guys to have a stress-free, or at least less stressful trading session every single day. So, trading full-time can be very stressful, but when you have a strategy to follow and a great way to actually approach the situation, you will end up profitable every single day. So for those of you who want to get into this trading group and take the course, it is the first link in the description. Like I said, this video was really just to show you guys some of the trades you can do in 1 day, and this RSI indicator is great for checking out trades, but not the best overall. You need to incorporate other strategies besides just one indicator. I can tell you right now that will definitely not work. I tried that out and I was not profitable at all. So over 30 days, guys, 15 grand doesn't sound too bad, right? You want money, there it is for you. It's just you need to take action and actually learn how to do something before you can just expect money to fall into your hands. So for those of you who want to take me up on this offer, I will see you over in the trading group. But for those of you who don't or aren't convinced yet, I will see you in the next video. We're going to, talk about some more things about becoming a full-time trader. So I will see you over in that video.